Hey guys, so a common question I get is what is the best cream to use when you're in pain? So I have two choices for you. The first one is Physio cream. So I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but it's probably the best heat cream that I've used. It doesn't leave a nasty smell. It's a very gentle heating, so it doesn't really burn your skin and it works really well. So a lot of my patients really love this. So like this is a box of my recent order. There's like, yeah, a bunch of tubes there. So that's my first choice if you want a bit of heat to get rid of the pain. And the second choice I use, like, again, I'm not affiliated with them, would be BioGlen Active Magnesium Cream. So magnesium cream does help with muscle soreness and a little bit of pain. So I do find that when I get sore after a workout or there's a bit of kind of muscle tension, I can put a bit of cream on and the next day and I feel pretty sweet. So give those a go. There should be a link in the description if you do want to give these a go. But yeah, these are the two I recommend.